If we have the expression 72 divided by 9 over 2 times 2 to the power of 2, then what is the simplest possible solution for this expression? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question may seem very simple, but almost everyone gets tricked. Let's break it down and solve it together. And the first step of solving this question, most people go straight to the exponent, which is 2 squared. And they simplify the whole expression to 72 divided by 9 over 2 times 4. And the next step, they usually focus on the expression 9 over 2 times 4 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. Alright, as you can see in the image, they very easily cancel out 4 with the 2 in the denominator and write this expression as 72 divided by 18, which eventually gives them the answer 4. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We should proceed these operations exactly as it's written from top to bottom step by step. Alright, as you can see in the image and this expression, first we have a division sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally an exponent. According to the PEMDAS rule, we should start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 72 divided by 9 over 2 times 4. And the next step, we handle the division and multiplication. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 72 and 9 over 2. Okay, whenever we see a division sign between two terms, it's best to use the KCF rule. And this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication. And F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 72 multiplied by 2 over 9. Alright, as you can see on the screen, the number 72 simplifies with the 9 in the denominator, and this expression simplifies to 16 multiplied by 4, which finally gives us the answer 64. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.